Hari Om. This is Yogacharya Dr. Pradeep Yogi from Janvi Ayurveda and Yoga College. We are studying here Maharshi Patanjali Yoga Sutra, and in previous videos we have discussed 20 sutras. Now we start from 21st or 21 sutra. Tivra Samveganamasanna means they who speed of sadhana or practice is fast, means whose speed of sadhana or practice is fast, they master it soon. They who remain undeterred in overpowering the obstacles of the path of sadhana quickly control their mind. And the frequency of sadhana too is a major factor in deciding the time of accomplishment. In the next sutra, what Patanjali says in 22nd, Maharshi Patanjali says, Mradu madhyadimat matratvat tato api vishesh. Means the period of accomplishment varies on account of slow, medium and fast speed of sadhana of yogis. The time of accomplishment is delayed or accelerated accordingly. In some devotees, the force of sanskaras might be very strong. In others, it might be feeble. So, the time for attaining the goal might be rapid or delayed. Such as Lord Buddha was performing bhajan in Bodh Gaya, and 5 bhikshus also were engaged in sadhana near him. Once they saw Lord Buddha taking meals, they thought that he was still attached with his physical body. So they quit his company and went to Sarnath for performing their penance. Meanwhile, Buddha got enlightenment. He was divinely directed to uplift those who were still lagging behind. Tathagat directly reached to the place where all the 5 bhikshus were living. The bhikshus saw Gautam Buddha from a distance and decided to not to salute him or pranam him or nor to wash his feet, but no sooner Tathagat reached there than they stood up. Some of them took up the towel, some offered water, some managed the asana or seat, and some of them washed his feet. Tathagat got seated. They said, Bhikshu, put some questions. Buddha started his sermon. One of them instantly attained enlightenment. The second one got Kavalya after 14 days. And the third one was followed his percepts got supreme Neskar Siddhi after 2 months. All of them put in the equal sadhana, but the period of their attainment varied. So, there is difference of time in the attainment of even those who have strong imputes. Now, I would tell you what to practice. At first, the Maharshi Patanjali said that the Vairagya or detachment and Abhyas means practice, without being bored, becomes well grounded if they are thoroughly and regularly pursued. The Quinton and Ale, the meanderings of the mind, but he did not tell where to hang the mind during the practice. From where to start, he says, Ishwar Pranidhana. This is the 23rd Sutra. We will explain in the next video. Hari Om.